What's up guys? I'm starting this look by blocking off half of my eyebrows, covering my face in white face paint and setting it all with powder. Next, I'm taking the same kind of cream face paint and drawing on some ridiculously large eyebrows. So now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I know I use this for most of my looks. Orange on one side, purple on the other, and it's just going to be like a little halo eyeshadow moment. So now I'm just taking purple underneath the orange side, and then I'm gonna put orange underneath the purple side. Now to bring the top shadow together, it's going to be orange underneath the purple and above the purple, and purple beneath the orange and above the orange, if that makes sense. I mean, just keep it opposite. I'm just taking a really shimmery eye topper and putting it in the center of my halo eyeshadow. Now we can add the red nose and the blush on the cheeks. Now I'm just really dramatically overlining my lips. Taking my liquid eyeliner and outlining my lips. Basically, I'm just adding a lot of detail work and lines to give it more of like a comic book type artsy vibe. I don't know what to call it. So now I'm taking a white liquid liner and just adding more details. This is basically to highlight all the high points of the look. I'm just adding a couple little hearts on my cheeks, and I kind of struggled doing this because it's really hard to hold the little mirror and stay in the camera at the same time. My setup sucks, you guys. I'm taking that shimmery eye topper again and just putting it over some of the white, mainly on my nose. Now all I'm doing is lining my upper eyelid and adding false lashes. I'm just going in and adding little dots and more details where I feel like it needs some more attention. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!